How to turn on or off private Wi-Fi address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the current Wi-Fi network that you're using and tap on the details icon beside it as shown. On this page, tap on Private Wi-Fi address. Here, select Off. Then, tap on Allow Tracking. This will allow this device to be tracked by Wi-Fi networks and nearby Wi-Fi devices when using this network. If you want to turn it back on, then select Rotating. A rotating private Wi-Fi address reduces tracking by periodically changing this device's Wi-Fi address on this network. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off private Wi-Fi address on iPhone.